Hi friends, in my lifetime, I have lived through some difficult financial winter, times where I do not have enough money to cover my bills. These have kind of left me with a fear of not having enough income. The anxiety I feel is felt by most other people and it's pretty real. This anxiety drives many of us for our actions we do today, like working so hard so we don't get fired, or working really hard to keep the business alive. See, having a reliable income is the key to financial security, and this has led many people to turn to dividend investing. In this video, I'm going to explain why dividend investing is not really a good way to go and why dividend investing is appealing to so many people. By the way, could you help me click the like button? It helps a lot out in the channel, and which is really important to me because when you do that, it actually helps me reach more people. Your effort is really much appreciated. Dividend investing is an investing strategy in which investors pick a stock that pays dividend. So the dividend paying stock will allow the investor to collect a stream of income, passive income, and it sounds like pretty awesome, right? You never need to worry about running out of money. You can live off the passive income for a lifetime. It sounds like free money. I'm here to tell you, dividends is not free money. When a stock pays dividend, the value of the stock drops by the amount of dividend. Let me give an example. If the company A passes out a 40 million in dividends to its shareholders, the value of the company has just dropped 40 million. So it's not free. The company could have used the money, $40 million, for research and development or growth. I love Apple as a company. I love using MacBook, like the iPhone. AirDrop really rocks. But I'm not a long-term shareholder of Apple because in 2012, Tim Cook gave in to pressure and started paying dividends. So to date, Apple has paid up $3.5 billion worth of dividends to keep the company shareholders alive. Think about what you can do with $3.5 billion if you add it to research and development and putting back into the customers by adding massive value to their products. Holy cow, I'm 100% certain that Apple will become a better company today. And because they are a better company, the share price will go up. You see, certain amount of share price in Apple now is held out by the dividend payout, which is not sustainable if you're looking at the long term. So how bad I think dividend investing is? See, if Tesla starts paying dividend, that will be the trigger for me to slowly sell Tesla shares. The next reason is if you focus on a dividend stock portfolio, you are going to lose out a lot. Dividend stocks, especially the high-paying ones, have much lesser capital appreciation. So capital appreciation means stock price goes up. Where a normal company may grow 10 to 20% a year in share price, a dividend payout company would probably grow half. So one of the biggest mistakes investors make is that they want to have capital appreciation together with good yield. So for stocks, it means share price goes up plus pay a good level of dividend. For investing in properties, it means property price goes up with good rental. I just want to wake you up. Pick one, capital appreciation or yield. There is no such thing as the best of both worlds. Okay, maybe there may be 1 in 1,000 chance that you may find one. But I can tell you most of the time it's not going to happen. So choose one. So concluding, dividend investing makes many investors feel good. I admit, it kind of makes me feel nice that I'm looking at my investing account every quarter and I get paid out in dividends. However, it's important to remember that dividends are irrelevant. The only thing that matters to the rational investor is the total returns. That is the increase of share price plus dividends paid. I hope this video has brought massive value to you. And as usual, thanks for helping me like the video. It helps a lot out in the channel. Every single like counts. And of course, remember to always invest safe.